Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I will be trying new high-end, well, it's not new, it's new for me because I haven't tried a lot of high-end makeup. Why? Because I am a drugstore girl. Like I love me a drugstore affordable and good makeup. So if I could get a good affordable makeup, then I'm all about it. But then I told myself, okay, I think it's time for me to actually try the high-end makeup that most people have been talking about, especially the beauty community. So I was like, okay, at first I didn't want to try the high-end makeup, mostly because I was still new to the makeup world and I was still learning and stuff like that. And right now I feel more confident about my makeup. So I was like, okay, it's time for me to try the high-end makeup. So my loves, today I have in front of me 4 new high-end makeup that I haven't tried. Maybe you guys have, but today I will be trying those. So the first thing I got was the Juvia's Place Serafina blush. I'm not sure if this is new, but I went to their website and found this a blush. So let me try open it up so I can show you guys how this baby looks, because when I saw it on the website, for me it caught my attention because it was like a summer orange vibe blush. So when I open it, it comes with this plastic to protect it, and then voila, this is how this baby looks. It looks absolutely so beautiful. I love the color and everything, and it also comes with a little mirror, so that way if you're going out or something and you want to take your blush, you could definitely use this mirror. So I will be trying this baby. And then next thing we have is, which I'm super excited, is the Benefit Cookie highlighter. If you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that I've been using the Maybelline metallic highlighter, and I am obsessed with that highlighter. But the thing about highlighter is that when it gets to highlighter, I am super clumsy. I don't know why, and I end up dropping my highlighters and they end up breaking, and it's just a mess. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and get this baby, the Benefit Cookie. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because if I drop this and break it and it falls apart, it's a very expensive highlighter, so I wouldn't want that to happen. But what I like about this is that the highlighter is deep inside this mini box, so I could basically feel a little bit more protected. So with this highlighter, you get this mini brush, which in my opinion I'm not going to be using because I have my highlighter brush, but it's a great way for you to, if you don't have a highlighter brush, you could definitely use this one. But yeah guys, I'm going to be using this, super excited. And then I bought another highlighter because I was like, okay, since I broke all my highlighters, let me get another one. So I got this baby right here. This is the Morphe highlighter. This is in the shade Spark. And let me go ahead and open it as well so you guys can see how this looks. All right guys, so this one was a little bit not too pricey. It was a good price. So when I open this baby, this is how it looks. In my opinion, if I put the Benefit and the Morphe highlighter together, I think they look very similar. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm gonna be using both of these highlighters to compare which one is better. So you guys seen me use the same nude lipstick, which is the Morphe lipstick. Let me see if I could find it for you guys. All right, so you guys see me use the Morphe lipstick so much, and also the NYX lipstick. Like, this is my two favorite nude lipstick. This one I like it because it's very nude, pink and nude type of lipstick, and then this one as well. So I really love it. So I was like, okay, let me try a high-end lipstick. Let me see if, you know, it's a huge deal. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get this baby, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter lipstick, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try this baby today because I really want to try a high-end lipstick as well. And also, before I forget guys, because I bought this like 2 weeks ago, but since you know I haven't been doing my makeup so much, I haven't been using it. So this is the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, and a lot of people been talking about this as well. So I was like, okay, let me get this translucent powder and see if it's good. So I already opened it up, so I'm gonna be also using this and see if it's good as people say it is. But yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my makeup base, do everything that I have to do, so that way I show you how this baby actually performs. So before I start this video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification so that way you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And if you are subscribed already, welcome back my loves. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and already did my makeup base. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. So let's see, I'm gonna open this baby. I'm gonna grab my sponge and I'm just going to dip it right here, just like so, and I'm just going to set my under eyes. Okay guys, so when I set this eyes, it already like took out the shine of the concealer. This one it really like set that concealer. I could definitely see the difference. So this side you already see that it's already very matte, and whereas this side it's not. Let me go ahead and show you guys this side. My first impression on this translucent powder is that it looks very like airbrush. It looks very smooth, so I really like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and basically align my cheekbones. And then since I already contoured my nose, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right there too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this blush right here from the Juvia's Place. And this baby, look at this, it's giving me that summer vibe, so I'm all about it. I'm going to grab a clean blush brush and I'm going to dip in on this baby. I'm going to go just smooth because I don't know if it's pigmented or not. I'm just gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Oh wow, this is so pigmented, but I love a pigmented blush. Like, I'm all about a pigmented blush. I'm all about, okay, give me that pigmented, you know. Good thing I didn't go hard, because usually with the Milani, since it's a soft pink, I tend to just go bomb and apply it on my cheeks. But this one you have to be very careful. Just a small amount is enough for you. This one, it does have a little bit shimmer. If you don't like your blush to have some shimmer, then this is not going to be your favorite blush. But if you don't mind it, like I don't mind my blush having that shimmer. Okay guys, so I know I put a lot of blush. I thought that I was gonna put a little bit, but I didn't realize that this blush is super duper pigmented, but I don't mind. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my translucent powder. So the two blushes that I always use in any video is the Milani blush, and this is like a baby pink blush. It's not that pigmented. I love it for a natural look. So this is my go-to blush. And if I want to have a little bit more pigmented, I go for the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this one has a shimmer as well. This one is pigmented but not to the extreme like this one, but I don't mind. This one It's okay as long as you go just tap your blush and you will be good to go. Okay guys, so now the next thing is to apply our highlighter, and I am super excited for this part because I always love a highlighter, a good highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the side of my face only. The reason why is so that way the highlighter sticks into your face longer. And for that, I'm gonna go with this baby. This is the Morphe times Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. And this is my second bottle, guys. Like the first one, I use it so many times. I really love this setting spray because it smells super good. It leaves my makeup throughout the whole day, and it doesn't leave my face too matte and too dewy. It's just like a very good balance, and that's why I love this baby so much. Okay, so this side I'm going to use the Morphe highlighter, and this side I'm going to use the Benefit highlighter. So using a highlighter brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this baby, and I'm just going to place it right here. It definitely highlights my face very seamlessly, because some highlighters will just like look like you literally apply a highlighter, like a straight line going through your face. But this one, it shines your face very soft, very seamlessly. You could definitely apply more if you want to, but I think I am okay like this. I like to apply it also on the side of my brows, just to give a little bit more highlight. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the side of the face. So let me go ahead and spray. Going with the Benefit highlighter, I'm gonna grab a clean brush as well. Oh wow, this one's so pretty as well. This one is more pigmented than the Morphe highlighter, and I could definitely see a difference. This one is more soft. This one you could see the powder that you apply on your face, but it's still cute, you know. So I definitely like both sides, to be honest. There's no side I like most. I like both sides. This one I use it if I'm going for more of a natural face, and this one if I'm just like out there, you know. So yeah, I like both. But yeah guys, the last thing that I need to go ahead and try on is the lipstick, but before I do that, I'm gonna go off camera and basically finish my eyes, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and focus on our lips. Since my eyeshadow is very purple, very bright, I definitely want a new lip. So I will be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, which I'm super excited because that's my first high-end lipstick, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips first, guys. So the lip liner that I will be using is the Morphe in the shade Sweetheart. Alright guys, so the moment has come. Let me go ahead and apply the lipstick. Okay guys, so this is how the lipstick came out. It's more of a orange type of nude. So I pair it with the brownish lip liner from Morphe. To be completely honest with you guys, the lipstick is not like, oh my god, like, you know, life-changing, whatever. There's definitely drugstore lipstick out there that are super good as well, that work similar. I'm gonna top a gloss so that way it's not too matte. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied a type of shiny on my lips so that way my lipstick is not that matte. But other than that, we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. Okay guys, so I just want to quickly go over the makeup that I tried today. So going with the highlighters, which is the Benefit and Morphe, both work absolutely gorgeous. This one, if you're going for more of a natural and glam look, this one is perfect. But if you want to add more highlight, more of that shimmer, then I really recommend the Benefit. They both are gorgeous. Like, I just can't choose because they're both absolutely so beautiful. This is the Morphe side and this is the Benefit side. So I absolutely love both of them. And then this baby right here, this is the blush. This is like more of a summer orange vibe blush. In my opinion, that's what I'm getting from this blush. So as you guys can see right here on the apples of my cheeks, it's there, you know, like you definitely could see the pigmented of this blush. So when you apply this blush, you definitely want to apply just a small amount because a small amount is all you need. But yeah guys, I absolutely love this blush as well because it's pigmented. And then the translucent powder from Laura Mercier, hopefully I'm saying her name right. This baby, once I apply the translucent powder, like it just set the concealer. So you really need to, you know, make sure that your concealer is nicely blended before you go ahead and set it, because this baby is going to definitely set your concealer. So I definitely love this translucent powder. It's very smooth. It makes my concealer very airbrush, and yeah, I really enjoy this translucent powder as well. And last but not least, I tried the I tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and I don't know if I told you guys the shade, but this is in the shade Hollywood. This lipstick, it's super matte. It's more of an orange type of shade. So if it's too matte for you, because sometimes there's matte lipstick but there's still not too matte, if you know what I'm saying. And the good combination of that is the NYX. Like this one is matte, but it's not to the point where you can like separate your lips, you know. This one is not bad, but I feel it more matte than other lipstick, which I don't mind. I could always top a gloss like I did right now and it will solve the issue. I really like the shade as well. It's an orange natural shade. That's the best that I could describe it. So if you want to know more information about this, 1 2 3 4 5 high-end products that I tried today, I will leave the information down on my description below, so that way you guys go ahead and basically try it out yourself if you haven't. But yeah guys, I had so much fun doing this video and basically going over these high-end products. But if you already own these products, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And before I end this video, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join this Msbeautyinspire channel. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and without any further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video.